All right, today Federico is taking us to a borghetto.
Borghetto di Montefiore, costa 275.000 euro.
270, 70,
5.
275,000. It's late in the day, people, okay? 275,000 and it's 300 square meters.
5 bedroom, 2 bathroom, living room, nice fireplace.
Okay, let's go see good English.
Wow!
Wow, amazing.
La 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 la
Di qua inizia la proprietà. Siamo in un borgo, ma in un borghetto. Proprietà, proprietà, proprietà. Salve, buonasera.
Wow, this is amazing. So I don't think he's gonna calm down. We thought he might, but no. Hey! Okay, I think we've quelled the dog. So this is the entire property. We've got storage, workroom situation. Questo, this is the barn.
Sì.
These kinds of spaces are great. You know, put a guest room in here, a studio, a library, an office. All these spaces can be repurposed and reutilized. They've been living here a long time. They don't need a guest room, but if you're American and you're buying a big property like this, you might want to have other guest rooms. This place is really cool. Like, that is amazing, that staircase there. It's killer. All right, should we go inside?
Sì, sì. Lì c'è un bellissimo forno che ha cucinato da poco. Wow!
Wow, he loves it. So
Si sente ancora il profumo.
So it could be a pizza oven too, though, right?
Forse sì, si vede ancora la cenere.
Well, it's got fire and it's got wood. This is like the fantasy movie thing where you have the big party out here and you have the oven over there and you're making the pizza and people are all sitting around. Oh, I love this space.
Bello forte
It's
perché
so
all'interno
cool.
del buco.
And I love all the plants up there. It's very pretty. This is great. Okay, this is cool. This floor is like killer. Oh, and there's a fireplace in the kitchen, of course, yeah. Oh, wow. I'm just gonna walk around and say, oh, wow, a lot, because this is really fantastic. Terrazzo floors are like freaking me out. They're so good. You would not change these floors, you just leave them. If you rip them out, please call me because I will come get the terrazzo tiles from you. Obviously, this will need to be updated, but there are certain things in the house I would definitely keep. The floors, definitely. And then, of course, you know, the wicky-wacky tile. I mean, if it were me, I would just probably go for it, and it's not a big space. I would continue the terrazzo through. There's a sitting room here. Okay. You know, obviously this stuff has all been put here, which can all go away. This will all come out.
Questo lo lasceresti o lo leveresti?
Yeah, he's now renovating with me, which I like. I like that I've got him on board.
Bagno.
The bath, you know, new bath, easy peasy, cheesy here. A bagno?
Cameretta.
No. Oh, cameretta. Oh, what is this? This is like a teeny tiny. So this is a walk-in closet.
O piccolo ufficio, piccolo...
Or closet. Per vestiti. Closet here, redo the bathroom. So this is like a little master suite area. E questo?
Questo è tipo armadio.
Oh, another, this is for my shoes and for her shoes as well. Or cleaning supplies. Okay, cool. Nice size bedroom. Everything gets ripped out of here. Like, so everything just gets ripped down and then we rip out all that stuff and we put in a new bathroom. Sopra, niente Questo è un spazio sopra o no? Perché molto, I mean,
Molto basso, dici.
sì.
Sì. Dobbiamo vedere.
Okay. So possibly we can go up because it's very low in here. I find it low. It's not putting me off of the property, just so that we're clear. It's just if there's a possibility, that'd be great. This is all going to get ripped out because it's really, and this color. I would reconfigure this probably because there's plenty of space here. I probably would do a different floor plan here. The floor plan's not ideal.
Italiano?
Yeah, this is very cool.
Originale.
So penso questo. Oh, he's gone again. Federico,
Sì,
una domanda.
sì,
Penso questo
sì.
e questo.
Esatto.
Okay, so he's agreeing with me, so that's good. Because this looks nice on this side. So I think we can go up. That's good news. Okay.
Questo è un piccolo balconcino.
This is not a balcony, come on.
Un balcone.
I love it, his sales pitch. It's like this.
Una loggia, una piccola loggia.
Yeah.
E la vista è bella.
Yeah, I mean, what we're both is like remove this completely, and then, you know, it would just have, you know, when you came upstairs, it would just have this nice little window, maybe a little bench seat. Yeah, okay. So kind of a landing pad, kind of cute. Okay.
Di qua, di là, forse è meglio di là.
I don't think he knows where he's going today.
Qui c'è una stanza.
A strange room into another strange room.
Qui si va in giardino.
Into the kill room. Okay, this is like a mechanical room. And then get ready, everybody, we're going into the kill room. Now
Wow.
we're going outside. Oh,
Wow.
geez, there's a garden out here.
È fantastico.
Oh my God, this is so crazy. This is cool. So this is really beautiful. So I would have to really think about how to best use this. It might be maybe turning this just into a hallway and an office. So there would be a way to walk out here where it would be uninterrupted and not door after door after door.
La loro idea
Okay. Their idea, okay.
era quella di ristrutturare la stalle finile
Okay.
e fare una porta qua che si può fare
Okay.
e fare un appartamento che avesse questo
See, I like
spazio
that
esterno.
idea. Okay. So
Questa
there's
era l'idea.
there's a small barn back here, so they were thinking of maybe restoring that and making it sort of a guest room with a door that came out to here. But I would still probably do an access from the main house out here as well. But I think it's doable. It's 100% doable. I think this is one of those places where it's so eye-catching and so beautiful and so sort of out of a dream when you walk in that it's worth jigging this whole house and sitting down with a designer and kind of moving a few walls, and I think it's worth it. I do. I really, really do. It's an amazing property, actually. If I were going to buy this, I would bring Marco with me, and Marco and I would go through it together, and then I would say, okay, these are my questions. Can we raise the ceiling downstairs? Can we find more of this stone? Is that a problem? Probably not. And then kind of my concerns, like my concern with coming out here. You know, I think it's really important to sort of take a minute, take a beat, and don't take it for face value if you don't like the floors, or if you don't like the color of the walls, or if you don't like the archways. All the things you don't like, those are the most important things, not the things you do like. And you don't have to fix the things you do like. The more organized you can be with your thoughts when you're renovating a house like this, the better, because there are so many other things that are going to come into it. You want to make sure that you stay focused. That's my TED talk about doing houses like this, but it's so worth it. Here, if you could make like a corridor and leave the mechanical room, but that way you don't see the mechanical room, it has its own door, and you go outside, and maybe that's glass, you know, where it just pours in and you know to go to the garden. I just feel like it needs to have that space. And then this can be like a little office or something. I mean, it could be, or it could be storage. Storage is great. I love storage. The more storage, the better. Okay.
Allora, partiamo di qua.
Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3 rooms. This is a cute little tiny bedroom. It could be very charming, right? Good sized bathroom. And that's perfect. Everybody can share. This is definitely a renovation. Now, could you move in? Absolutely. Depends on your type. If you can renovate while you live in a space, then you can do this while you're living here. This is questionable to me. It's warm, but visually not appealing. Possibly moving this. Maybe new railing. Oh, more bedrooms. Oh, this is a teeny, skinny bedroom. We've got more than 5 bedrooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, there's like 1, 2. Well, you could have 7, I guess. There's 6. There's another bedroom downstairs.
2 downstairs.
So there's 2 downstairs? Yeah, this whole place needs to be reconfigured. Now that I've gone through it. I don't know about the master downstairs. I don't know if we need that. Downstairs, honey, we're just gonna take that whole thing out and make that a living area down there. No master, no closet, no nothing. And all the bedrooms are upstairs and all the living areas are downstairs. It's worth it to renovate this, 100%, from soup to nuts, because the price is great and it's huge. And there's so much potential. It's so freaking charming. It's a fantastic place to live. Great borgo, not far from Vivizzano, which is nice, but you're out in the middle of the countryside. It's quiet, it's lovely. Lovely families here. There's a chapel down the road. I mean, yes. Check, 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 check. This is a no-brainer.
C'è una parte di casa rustica che non l'abbiamo ancora vista, che è molto carina, molto simpatica.
Okay,
Possiamo
let's go.
andarci.
Yeah, let's go. More to see, more to see. I have a lot to say about this property, if you noticed, because I really like it. So this is un'altra casa, or?
Vediamo.
He's like, we'll see. All right, let's go.
E questa parte originale.
So now we're gonna go back in time. But this is originally what it looked like. And this is what just like stabs me in the heart. So here's the before and here's the after. Oh, God.
Il bello che queste scale, che come vedi sono nel muro fatte.
This, be careful here. No, it's okay, we can chiuso so he
Questo è
doesn't.
meraviglioso. So.
Jesus Christ, okay. I love this. This is cool.
Mi serviva per la farina.
Yeah, it's for the for like oats and flour.
Qui mettevano i salumi.
Same. Yeah, those are cool. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So this is very cool. Again, another project, which we know Annette loves. This is really pretty, you guys. This is like a big, giant castagna. Questo.
Questo è castagno.
Questo è seccatoio o no?
L'essiccatoio probabilmente era quello di là.
Okay.
Probabilmente. Sì, poi l'hanno trasformato.
Okay, so he thinks that was where they dried the chestnuts, and this is where they stored like this was like the refrigerator, you know, where they put the salami and the prosciutto. And
Allora, qui troviamo le mele, rotelle.
yeah. Oh, that's right. So we are very. So this. What's so weird is when I moved to the Lunigiana, I got a lot of apples for my neighbors, and they're called round apples. I'm not kidding. That's the name of them. And they are delicious. Mi piace molto.
E
It's
poi tra l'altro
delicious.
è una comunque.
So I don't like apple juice, and they make apple juice out of this. It's amazing.
E in Lunigiana troviamo anche le patate.
They also do potatoes in Lunigiana. So this is where they would store it. So it's cold storage.
Un clima particolare.
Cool. Literally and figuratively. All right, I'm going to show you the back garden. This is where I would put the pool. It's, again, a fun surprise, so follow me. Follow us. Come, Federico. Come with me.
Ok. Come on.
Come on, Federico.
In Fantastic Garden.
This is the garden behind the house. Here's where I would put the pool. Fruit trees, total privacy. It's gorgeous. This is so pretty here. I just can't, I don't even think they can capture it on video. It's so pretty here. I think this is such an amazing property.
Credibile.
If I was looking for a place before La Fortezza and this would have come up for sale, I would have seriously considered this because this is my jam. It's got lots of land. It's a huge, challenging project, which I love. He thinks that you could renovate it for 250,000 euros. I think that's no. I think, if you threw $500,000 in, you could probably do this entire project and then kind of do a few little projects here and there along the way. Well, thank you, Federico, and thank you, whatever the dog's name is, welcoming us and sending us off. If you've got this far in this video, we thank you. Like and subscribe. And if you're interested in this house, which you should be, Federico's link is right below. To clarify, I don't sell these houses. My real estate agent, Federico, is the person that you need to contact. He has English speakers in the office, so he's happy to answer any of your questions. And thank you again. I definitely would give this thumbs up for sure. Yeah, 4 for sure. And yeah, so see you next time. Peace.